Welcome viewers, Dr. J.W. Ayub. Islamophobia defined: when words became evasion. Don't answer him. Don't answer him. The room fell silent. Not because the evidence had been disproved, not because the documents had been exposed as false, not because anyone had demonstrated the question was without merit. The conversation simply stopped. Someone had found a different target, not the claim, the person making it. Within seconds, attention shifted. The evidence remained on the table. The speaker became the discussion. His motives, his character, his intentions, his identity, the original question was still waiting, but nobody seemed to notice. This is where everything begins, at the moment of a discussion when it changes direction. Not every allegation of Islamophobia is an exact act of invasion. Many describe genuine anti-Muslim prejudice, discrimination, intimidation, or hatred, all of which deserve clear recognition and condemnation. But this episode asks a narrower behavioural question. Can emotional, powerful labels in some situations redirect attention away from examining evidence and toward evaluating the person presenting it? And if that happens, what exactly changed? The facts or the destination of everyone's attention? People often believe difficult conversations end because someone found the answer. Sometimes they end because everyone quietly stopped looking for the answer. And when attention leaves the evidence rarely finds its way back into the conversation in the way that it should have, with the results that should have been found.